Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating an audio recorder track. This gives the right input chain for vocals. Choose your microphone and enable monitoring so you hear yourself. That prevents surprises later. Once done, set the metronome or a simple click to lock timing and check input gain. Aim for peaks near -6 decibels so you preserve headroom. Make sure you use headphones to avoid bleed. With those steps complete, you're ready to record your first takes. You'll capture several takes to create a single great performance, record in passes, and use loop recording or punch-in for tricky sections. After recording, comp your best phrases. Garageband lets you swipe to select the best parts, then trim and add short fades to avoid clicks. Next, apply basic processing. EQ to carve space, compression to control dynamics, and mild pitch correction to smooth notes. Do this incrementally. Finish by balancing vocal level against the track, panning backing vocals, and using sends for reverb or delay to create depth. Small send amounts preserve clarity. Once mixed, export through share to files or upload to cloud. Pick 44, 1 or 48 kHz depending on delivery. If something goes wrong, say you notice latency or clipping, stop, lower the input buffer, close background apps, or reduce mic gain. That fixes most problems quickly and keeps recordings clean for your final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.